morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.4% in the last two sessions. The ROC transitioned sharply into positive territory. Bitcoin has lost 0.7% in the last three sessions. The ROC has moved sharply into the positive area. The price of gold has lost 1.4% in the last session. The MACD moved sharply into the negative zone. The price of crude oil has gained 1.2% in the last session. The MACD has shot up into the positive zone.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Oil prices are set for a fourth consecutive weekly gain as positive vaccine news and hopes of an OPEC Plus production cut extension boosts bullish sentiment. Face-to-face negotiations between Britain and the EU over a trade deal restarted earlier as the two sides make a last-ditch attempt to reach an agreement with just 5 weeks to go. The dollar index hit its lowest level in almost 3 months after strong economic data from China favored commodity currencies over safe havens.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Japanese retail sales will be released on Sunday at 23:50 GMT. The Swiss retail sales Monday at 7:30 GMT, the Canadian GDP Tuesday at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. factory orders Wednesday at 1500 GMT. The U.S. initial jobless claims Thursday at 13:30 GMT, and the U.S. non-farm payrolls Friday at 13:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.